But the simple way of thinking about it is if Stripe allows you to spend 5 minutes as a developer implementing credit card transactions inside your application, we do the same for token rewards. So from a game developer's perspective, it's been a long undertaking to implement crypto into your game. And so most of them haven't done it. So it's taken large investments from some of the foundations to get these larger game developers on board. And it's taken 6 months or a year of development on these games to go build an economy around smart contracts. We're saying, wait a second, that's how credit cards used to be. In my first company, Zingo, when we started that, we actually had to go build a credit card processing team. We had 25 people that just did what Stripe does for you now in-house. Fraud, everything to do with payments, right? Then an API came out and now everybody has their own team in Stripe to handle this stuff. So for us, for game developers, the simplest thing is why don't you see crypto in every game in the App Store? It's too hard. And what if you could earn tokens after a 5-minute integration? That's the first piece. So Stripe, like what Stripe did for credit card processing, we do for token rewards inside of games. Super easy. The second part is, what if every token community that existed on Solana and these top EVM chains had its own game ecosystem? And what if traders had a reason to speculate on the game ecosystem that created rewards that then could be used to pay the developers who create the content and the players who play the games? So in other words, this unlocks the ability for a community like Fartcoin, which maybe has a lot of attention right now, to also have a Fartcoin game ecosystem, which just sounds ridiculous, but could really be a thing. There's a whole community of people who want to support this. There's certainly enough capital if you can get it allocated in the right places and then distributed to the right teams and the right players. So what we're trying to do is build the protocol that connects these groups to create this value.